I thought I'd give you a quick behind the scenes of how we've semi-automated generating helpful responses to questions that people post on the Bubble subreddit. You may have noticed a few weeks ago we set up a Reddit account and we've been posting answers to questions that people post on the subreddit. And I say this is semi-automated. We're not using the Reddit API, we're using Reddit RSS to detect when a new post has been created, and then we're using AI and our own custom backend database where we do an embeddings and a vectorized comparison between the question and our over 500 videos, and then we write a response and we paste that into Bubble. And I'm saying about 90% of the time it's got an amazing hit rate. So part of the system that I'm demoing here is in Relay, and Relay is currently my favorite Zapier alternative, mainly because it's got all sorts of AI features built in. It's also got human in the loop, so if you're unsure about posting directly or responding directly to an email with AI, you can always have a member of your team approve it before the workflow continues on. But let me just give you a quick tour of what we've got here, which is we have our trigger, which is when the Bubble.io RSS subreddit feed gets an update, and you can see here that we've got the latest posts there. I then run a low-cost GPT with a structured output of basically a Boolean, a true or false, yes, no value, saying, is this someone actually asking a question or are they promoting their own content? If they're only promoting their own content, the workflow stops there. But if GPT-4o Mini thinks that they're actually asking a question, then we do our own custom calls. I've removed our own Xano endpoint, but the idea is that we've got a Xano database with a vector column, and that is a embedding of all of our video tutorials that we haven't ever made, all of our courses. That's over 500 single items of content, and we are querying the users, the subreddit users query through that database and getting a list of 3 videos that may be helpful, 3 transcripts, 3 articles that we've produced that may be helpful in answering that question. And then I loop through all of those. So I'm saying take each item that comes back from here. So we're getting 3 videos or posts back. And then I'm saying give the name, give the transcript. And so that way we kind of get name, transcript, name, transcript, name, transcript. I then pass that into Claude. And I say you are an AI assistant created by Planet NoCode to help launch it, help users, blah, 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 blah. But effectively, we're inserting the knowledge that we get from our vector search in Xano into the Claude 3.5 Sonnet query. And then I get structured data back, which is just simply an answer, and I post that answer to our Slack, our company Slack. So that way, we've got a live feed of AI-generated responses to subreddit posts going into our Slack channel. And like I say, it's about 90% hit rate. So it's not something that we can auto-post. We're not using the Reddit API. I expect that's something that Reddit would want to discourage, is people just posting AI content straight to their platform. But it means that we can manually review it, copy and paste, and offer really detailed answers, and then source those in the content that we've already created. So if you've got burning Bubble questions, if you've hit a roadblock in Bubble and you don't know how to proceed, then you can access this same powerful AI by becoming a member, heading to our website, planetnocode.com. There is a link down in the description, in fact, and that will give you access to exactly the same AI-powered backend where just like ChatGPT, you can ask a question about Bubble and it is going to answer your question and point you in the direction of any helpful content that we've created over the last few years. Remember, that is over 500 separate videos across courses, across bite-sized tutorials. Simply, it's huge, the scale of the library that we've created, and you can explore it all with ease with AI by heading to planetnocode.com or clicking the link down in the description.